Chapter 2, Lecture 4, National Parks. National parks are the secured areas for the development and maintenance of wildlife and natural beauty. Here there is a strict prohibition on hunting, grazing of tamed animals and movement of the tourist. Here you see different district, different national parks and which famous wild animals are there and area. Junagadh district, Gir National Park, area 258.71 square kilometer, and lion, leopard, blue bull, hyena, stag and black buck wild animals are there. Dariyai National Park is situated in Jamnagar district, an area of this national park 162.89 square kilometer. Marine animals, octopus, seahorse, dolphin, dugong, sea cow animals found there. Once Masda National Park is in Valsad, 23.99 square kilometer area. Leopard, deers like and pronghorn chital, antelopes animals are there. In Bhavnagar district, Vedavdar Kadiyar National Park, 34.53 square kilometers area. Wolf, Kalyar, Blue Bull, Khadmor animals are found there. Here you see lions roar after an hour of sunset. Dinosaur means a dangerous lizard. The oldest zoo of India is the Sakarbag Zoo of Junagadh. It was established in 1863 Anno Domini. Apart from the dog bite, the bite of a cat, wolf, bear, fox all result in rabies. Bears howl like human beings when they are bitten or injured. Now, mineral resources. Gujarat is rich in minerals. The minerals available in Gujarat have contributed in the rapid development of industries. The minerals found in Gujarat are limestone, china clay, dolomite, bauxite, phosphor, gypsum, areca, lignite, silica, copper, zinc, lead, manganese, bentonite, graphite, mineral oil, natural gas, etc. Now you see here minerals and in different district different minerals found and use of mineral. First, china clay found in Sabarkantha, Mehsana, Surat and Panchmal district. And from china clay we use of china clay paper, textile, pesticides, plastic used in cosmetics and cement industries. In Vadodara and Bharuch district, phosphor minerals found. Phosphor is very useful for melting metals and it is available only in Gujarat in entire Asia. Limestone found in Gujarat, Junagadh, Jamnagar, Kutch, Kheda, Amreli, Banaskantha, Bharuch, Surat, Panchmal, Sabarkantha and Bhavnagar. And use of limestone is industries like cement, iron, steel, soda ash, paper, color, purification of sugar, etc. Bauxite found in Kutch, Jamnagar, Junagadh, Amreli, Valsad, Kheda, Sabarkantha, Panchmahal, Bhavnagar, and Porbandar district. And use of bauxite is aluminum based industry. Here, dolomite in Vadodara, Amreli, Banaskantha, Bharuch, Sabarkantha, and Narmada district, and used in glass, steel, fertilizer, mosaic tiles, and to purify seawater. Gypsum is found in Jamnagar, Junagadh, Kutch, Amreli district. Chemical fertilizer, glass, color, pesticide industries. Akik is found in Kutch, Bharuch, Bhavnagar, Khambat, used in making ornaments. Lignite is found in Kutch, Bharuch, Mehsana, Bhavnagar, Surat, and use of lignite for producing solar electricity and tar and chemical industries. Graphite is found in Vadodara, Panchmal, and Dahod district. Thermocol, pencil, explosives, dry battery, etc. Use of graphite. Copper, zinc, and lead found in Banaskantha. Copper is used to make electricity wire, gold ornament, and vessels. Zinc is used to make storage battery and zinc oxide. Lead is used for coating galvanized sheets and vessels. Mineral oil and natural gas is found in Ahmedabad, Kheda, Bharuch, Gandhinagar, Mehsana, Surat, and Vadodara district and used in diesel, petrol, naphtha, kerosene, colors, tar, artificial fiber, and petroleum gas industry. So this is the use of minerals and different and we found in different districts. Now, preservation and conservation of natural resources. Natural resources are an invaluable gift of nature. They should not use carelessly. The best way is use them carefully and sensibly in order to make use of them for a longer period of time. Water bodies should be saved from getting polluted. Sanctuaries and national parks should be developed. Strict law should be implemented and strict action should be taken to stop hunting and torturing of wild animals. And last point, efforts should be made to protect and increase wildlife. So this is the chapter and end of chapter 4 exercise I will give in Google Classroom.